Hello everyone, today's video is a clean with me. Hopefully you can get some cleaning motivation from this video. And today's video is a collaboration with Jessica from the channel Keep Calm and Clean. Here is a clip from her video. She filmed a cleaning video as well. So I will link her video and her channel down in the description box. So after you watch my video, go and watch her video and check out her channel. She makes lots of cleaning videos and I've been watching her videos for a while. I love them, so go and subscribe to her. So now on to the cleaning. I started my cleaning here in the kitchen, and as you can see from this before clip, the kitchen was very messy. I started off by folding my husband's work shirts. I can't put these into the dryer because they shrink, so I just lay them over the back of the kitchen chairs to dry. If you are coming over from Jessica's video, then welcome. My name is Hannah and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. You can head over to my channel page to check out all of my other videos. I will also have some of them linked to this video as well. These stainless steel sippy cups are my new favorite sippy cups for the boys. They're from Amazon. I will put the link for them down in the description box if you want to go check them out. And this dish brush that I've been using to wash the dishes, you can still get this for free along with a Miss Meyer set with my link. I will put that down in the description box as well. Every time that I use this mop in a video, I always get questions down in the comments asking where it's from. This mop is from turbomops.com. I'll put a link for it down in the description box. I've had it for almost 2 years, I think, and it's worked perfectly, but recently the nozzle end on it has been giving me some trouble, but other than that, it works perfect. And now the kitchen is spotless clean. It's looking a lot better than it did in the before clip. Next, I worked on getting our master bedroom cleaned up. After that, I cleaned both of the bathroom sinks using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner from the Grove Collaborative website. This is in the scent Waterfall. Usually I get it in the scent Mint, which smells amazing, but I decided to try something new, and so far I am loving this Waterfall scent. And then I worked on getting Kyle's bedroom cleaned up, and normally I make him help me clean up his bedroom, but he was outside playing, and last night before bed he had cleaned up half of it. Yes, it was messier than this yesterday, so I decided to just clean it up real quickly for him. And lastly, I folded 2 loads of laundry that were in the dryer. And before I end the video, I just wanted to say that I know that I've been filming a lot of cleaning videos lately, so for this Saturday's video, I'm going to be filming a day in the life vlog, so stay tuned for that, and I might do a mini Q&A at the end of the vlog. If I end up doing the Q&A, then I will have you send me the questions over on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on my Instagram, it's Hannah's Happy Home. I will put the link for it down in the description box. If you enjoyed today's cleaning video, then be sure and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in my next one. Bye!